Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Trello for Kanban workflow setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Trello website by typing in the URL. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and access your Trello dashboard. If you're new to Trello, click on Sign Up to create an account. Fill in the necessary information to set up your profile. Once logged in, locate the Create New Board option. Click on it to start setting up your Kanban workflow. Name your board something relevant to your project. Select a background color or image that suits your branding. Next, you will see an option to set your board's visibility. Choose between private, workspace visible, or public settings. Once your board is created, you will need to add lists. Create 3 primary lists: to do, in progress, and done. Click on Add a list to start naming each section. Now it's time to add cards to the to-do list. Click on Add a card and enter the task details. For each task, you can add descriptions, due dates, and labels. Organize cards by dragging and dropping them between lists. To further enhance your workflow, click on a card to open it. Use the Add Checklist option to break tasks into subtasks. Assign members to specific cards if you are working in a team. Use the Due Date feature to set deadlines for your tasks. Explore the Power UPS section to integrate tools like calendars or time tracking. Enable useful Power UPS that suit your workflow needs. Regularly check your board and update progress on tasks. As your project evolves, feel free to adjust lists and cards. Encourage team members to engage with the board frequently. Utilize the comments section in each card for team discussions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.